Good morning, children. How are you? Again, I am here. Okay, got it. So, today we will discuss the same chapter which I have explained yesterday. That was, we can say, the book that saved the earth. It is a very funny chapter. You will enjoy this. Is that clear? I have explained you yesterday the summary of the chapter that a person is a powerful person. He is a powerful person named as a think tank and is having his apprentice like noodle, and more two people are also there, Sergeant Oak, and one more is also Captain Omega. Okay, so in this chapter we have discussed that I have told you that the Martian people who are living in the Mars. Okay, they are living in the Mars. They wanted to invade our earth, हमारी पृथ्वी को. They wanted to invade, they wanted to invasion that earth, and that is why they made their plan. And it is the complete chapter is described by the historian who is living with us. Okay, right now, a person who tells us about the story, history. Understand? So now I am going to tell you the chapter one by one. I have explained you the characters yesterday, and I also explained you the main points of the chapter yesterday. Is that clear, everybody? So now we will discuss about the same chapter, and you are having your books with you so that you can easily understand the chapter. Is that clear? Understand? Okay. These are the new words. Martian related to Mars. Invasion, capture, annex. Encyclopedia book which gives information on many subjects. Histroscope, it means a bioscope that shows history of something. Apprentice training and elaborate detailed. These are the word meaning which are very useful for you. Okay, so now I am going to explain you one by one. These are the characters. Historian, great and mighty think tank, apprentice noodle, Captain Omega, Lieutenant Iota, Sergeant Op, Upstage voice also. Upstage voice का मतलब ड्रामा की बात जो होता है. Scene first. The questions are also there. Why was the 20th century called the era of the book? 20th century को era of the book क्यों बोला जाता था? This is very important question. Who tried to invade the earth on the 21st century? 21st century में अर्थ को कौन इन्वेड करना चाहता था? Time है the 25th century. 25th century. Keep in your mind. Place. Museum of Ancient History, Department of 20th Century on the planet Earth. Yani that is the museum. Okay, ancient history. And planet Earth is a place. Yani our Earth. Before rise, yani पर्दा उठना से पहले. Spotlight shines on historian. The spotlights will shine on the historian. यानी सबसे पहले उस पे फोकस हुआ जो the person who is going to explain the chapter, who is sitting at a table down right side on which is a movie projector. A movie projector also going on. Got it? A sign on SL beside her reads, and उसके बाद में space mark का sign है when she reads. Museum of Ancient History, Department of 20th Century. She stands and bows to the audience. When she explained this, then she stands and bows to the audience, and she is explaining the complete incident to the audience. Is that clear? Historian. Good afternoon. Welcome to our Museum of Ancient History and to my department, Curiosity of Good Old Far Off 20th Century. You know, all the people are eager to know about the far off, जो उनसे बहुत दूर की चीजें हैं, मतलब बहुत पुरानी चीजें. They want to know about the far off things. Okay. The 20th century was often called the era of book. अभी आंसर, this is the answer of the question. कि 20th century को books का युग क्यों कहा जाता है? हम सबको पता है. Because in those days there were books about everything from एंट ईटर्स टू जुलूज, जो साउथ अफ्रीकन एक जाति होती है एंट ईटर्स, जो एंट को खाते हैं, वहां से लेके बुक्स टॉट पीपल हाउ टू एंड व्हेन टू एंड वेयर टू एंड व्हाई टू they illustrate, educated, punctuated and even decorated. यानी everything was explained by the books in 20th century. Whatever you want to find out, we can say get it from the books. Is that clear? Understand? Everything was explained by the books. I'm just coming just. Whatever you need, you have to get it from the books. That is why they are called the era of the 20th century. Everybody got it? Strangest thing the book ever did was to save the earth. What is the most strange thing about the book? A book one day saved the earth. यानी किताब ने, यानी पुस्तक ने हमारी अर्थ को बचाया. किससे बचाया? बता दिया था मैंने yesterday. कैसे बचाया? I also explain you. Okay, a nursery rhyme which saved the earth from the invaders. Understand? You haven't heard about the Martian invasion of 2040. The historian is telling us, he is telling us that you haven't heard about the Martian attack. The people who are living on Mars, related to Mars, यानी alien भी कह सकते हैं अपन इसको. They were planning to attack on Earth and the book saved that. Book saved our Earth. टैक टैक यानी एक साउंड सा आता है. What do they teach children nowadays? Well, you know, the invasion never really happened. You know, the attack was not happened at that time. Before they were going to attack on the earth, the book had saved our earth. Because a single book stopped it. What was the book? You ask. A noble encyclopedia. That is encyclopedia, book which gives information on many subjects. That is known as the encyclopedia. A tome about rocket and missiles. एक ऐसी चीज जो जिसके अंदर रॉकेट और मिसाइल्स की इंफॉर्मेशन हो. A secret file from outer space. No, it was none of those. It was, but here let me turn on the history scope. History scope चेंज कर रहा है. That it means a bioscope that shows history of something. अब वो चेंज कर रही है. And show you what happened. Many points it left. Spotlight on historian goes out and comes up down left on the think tank. यानी historian had gone from that place and the spotlight came on the think tank. हम अपन ड्रामा नहीं करते जैसे रामलीला वगैरह होती है, ऐसे कुछ हो रहा है. Think tank. Who is seated on a raised box, arms folded. यानी बहुत सा बॉक्स बैठा, उस पे बैठा हुआ. He was sitting. He had a huge egg-shaped head. उसका जो head था, that was very huge, like an egg. अंडे की तरह. ध्यान में रखना, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. उसका जो बैलून की तरह उसका सर बड़ा था. And he wears a long robe decorated with stars and circle. कुछ पहन रखा था ऐसा जो जिसके ऊपर स्टार्स वगैरह लगे हुए थे. Apprentice noodle person. Apprentice means training. जो उसका disciple था. He was also standing near him. Apprentice noodle stands beside him at an elaborate switchboard. A sign on Eshel reads, Mars Space Control Room. यहाँ है. This is the place we are going to discuss. This is Mars Space Control Room. Great and mighty think tank. Commander in Chief. Great लगाया गया है. Mighty means powerful. Commander in Chief bow low before entering. उसके सामने जब आते हैं, when you are going to enter, you should bow. झुको उनके सामने. अभी नूडल इज सेइंग समथिंग. पार्ट इज जो अपने अपने पार्ट से वो प्ले होने शुरू हो गए. नूडल इज सेइंग बोइंग. ही इज बोइंग ऑल्सो, गिविंग रेस्पेक्ट. ओ ग्रेट एंड माइटी थिंक टैंक, मोस्ट पावरफुल एंड इंटेलिजेंट क्रिएचर इन द होल यूनिवर्स. कह रहा है कि हो यू आर द ग्रेटेस्ट पर्सन, मोस्ट पावरफुल मैन एंड इंटेलिजेंट ऑल्सो ऑन द होल यूनिवर्स. What are your orders? आपके ऑर्डर क्या हैं? यानी that was the salutation given by greeting given by the noodle to whom he has given this greeting to think tank. उसको बता रहा है कि you are the most intelligent and powerful person of the universe. Actually में वो था नहीं कुछ भी, nothing, है ना. Think tank previously थोड़ा गुस्से से, नाराज होते हुए, getting angry. You left out part of my salutation, apprentice noodle. What he was saying, this is not the good greeting. I don't like this. What is this? Noodle go over the whole thing again and do it again. बहुत घमंडी था, बहुत प्राउड था उसको. Noodle, it shall be done, sir, in a sing song. What, like singing a song. Oh great and mighty think tank. अभी गाना गाते हुए. Ruler of the Mars and her 2 moons, most powerful and intelligent creature in the whole universe. ये था उसका. That was the greeting. That was the salutation of Noodle. Out of breath, सांस लेते हुए. What are your orders? What are your orders? Think tank. That's better, Noodle. That's good, Noodle. I wish to be placed in communication with our manned space probe to that ridiculous little planet we are going to put under our generous rulership. What do they call it again? And what did he say? I want to make a communication from to our probe, man's probe, जो हमारे जो बंदे गए हैं, जो इसको छानबीन करने के लिए गए हैं अर्थ को, मैं उनसे कम्युनिकेशन करना चाहता हूँ. एंड व्हाट इज द, क्या बोला था उसने? That is means under our generous leadership. What do you call it? A communication with our manned space probe to that ridiculous little planet. हास्यपद little planet बोल रहा है हमारी अर्थ को. कह रहा है उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Earth, your intelligence. That is known as a Earth. They call it Earth. Think tank. Earth, of course. Yes, of course. You see how insignificant the place is. इतना बुरा, यानी unimportant place is Earth. But first something important, my mirror. I wish to consult my mirror. ये मैंने बताया तुम लोगों को कि वो सबसे पहले मिरर से डिस्कस करता है हमेशा. He said, I want to contact with my mirror. Noodle, it shall be done, sir. Noodle is saying, yes, that can be done, sir. He hands think tank a mirror. He had given a mirror to think tank. Mirror, mirror, in my hand, who is the most fantastically intellectual gifted being in the land? कह रहा कि who is the most fantastic intellectual, बुद्धिमान कौन बंदा है? Upstairs voice, you sir. जो बंदे देख रहे हैं ना, upstairs voice आती है, you sir. Think tank smacking me, quicker, थोड़ा सा उसको धमकाते हुए, मारते हुए, quicker, fast बोलो. Answer quicker next time you should give me the quick answer. यानी वो थोड़ा इधर से थोड़ा सा उसका हिला हुआ था. I hate a slow learned mirror. He admires himself in the mirror. अपने आप को मिरर में एडमायर करता है. There I am. Are we Martian not a handsome race? He was telling himself a handsome race. इतना बड़ा बैलून जैसा सिर उसका. And he was calling himself a handsome. कह रहा है कि हम मार्शियंस जो हैं, we are also handsome. Got it? So much more attractive than those ugly earthlings with their tiny heads. We are more attractive, more beautiful than the people who are living on earth, because they are having tiny head. छोटे छोटे सर हैं उनके, हम लोगों के. Got it? वो अपने आप को हमसे कंपेयर कर रहा है. So Noodle, you keep on exercising your mind, and someday you will have a balloon brain just like mine. And you, what do you say? He said to his apprentice Noodle, you should also keep exercising, doing the practice, and one day you will also get success, and your brain will also like me. He's explaining this to Noodle. Oh, Noodle is saying, I hope so. A mighty think tank, I hope so. Noodle is saying, yes, मुझे उम्मीद है, I hope. Now, think tank is saying, now, contact the space probe. I want to invade that primitive ball of mud called Earth before lunch. कह रहा कि जल्दी से contact करो. मैं उस कीचड़ की जो बॉल बता रहा है अपनी अर्थ को, कह रहा है कि मैं उसको अभी इन्वेट करना चाहता हूँ बिफोर द लंच. यानी ऐसे कोई मतलब मुझे नहीं बोलना चाहिए जैसे कि कोई हलवा है उसके लिए. कह रहा है कि मैं इस अर्थ को क्या करना चाहता हूँ, इन्वेट करना चाहता हूँ, और इसको बॉल ऑफ मड बोलता है. Now contact. It shall be done, sir. Noodle is saying, it shall be done, sir. He adjusts levers of switchboard, electronic buzzers. ये सब कुछ वहाँ पे हो रहा है सब कुछ. Okay. So now what happens? Scene number 2. गॉट इट? टाइम ए फ्यू सेकेंड लेटर, कुछ समय बाद में, यानी एक सीन नंबर 2 होता है, टाइम होता है फ्यू सेकेंड लेटर, जस्ट अ मिनट। सीन नंबर 2, फ्यू सेकेंड लेटर, मार्स स्पेस कंट्रोल एंड द कंट्रोवाइल पब्लिक लाइब्रेरी, द मैन, जो लोग थे, जो नूडल ने भेजे थे, थिंक टैंक ने भेजे थे, वो एक पब्लिक लाइब्रेरी में लैंड कर गए, ऊपर से आया था ना, दे वर इन द पब्लिक लाइब्रेरी। एट राइज कैप्टन ओमेगा स्टैंड एट सेंटर, कैप्टन ओमेगा सेंटर में था। ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग कार्ड कैटलॉग, वो कैटलॉग उसको खोल रहा था, बंद कर रहा था, ही वाज डूइंग दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग, ड्रॉवर्स इन कंफ्यूज फैशन, और वो कंफ्यूज था, क्या कर दिया हम, क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग। सार्जेंट ऑफ इज एट राइट साइड ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग द बुक, सार्जेंट ऑफ के हाथ में बुक थी, वो बुक को खोल रहा था, बंद कर रहा था, लाइब्रेरी में तो बुक ही मिलेगी, you know, he was closing and opening of the book also, they all were unaware about these things, turning it upside down, shaking it hand, riffling the page and shaking his head, पेज कर रहा था, चेंज कर रहा था और अपना सर हिला रहा था। नूडल एडजस्टिंग नोट्स, आई हैव क्लोज साइनिंग ऑफ स्पेस क्रूशर, कह रहा कि हाँ हाँ अभी मुझे थोड़ा सा पता चला कहाँ है वो। थिंक टैंक पुट्स ऑन ए पेयर ऑफ इनोरमस गॉगल्स एंड टर्न्स टुवर्ड द स्टेज टू वॉच, क्या किया थिंक टैंक ने, ही पुट इनोरमस गॉगल, जो गॉगल होते हैं बड़े बड़े चश्मे, वो लगाता अपने, एंड स्टेज की तरफ मूव करता है। दे सीम टू हैव एंटर्ड सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अर्थ स्ट्रक्चर, एंड क्या कहा उसने, आई थिंक दे हैव एंटर्ड सम टाइप ऑफ अर्थ स्ट्रक्चर, यानी वो एंटर तो कर चुके। एक्सेलेंट, मेक वॉइस कॉन्टेक्ट, कह रहा कि दैट्स गुड, मेक वॉइस कॉन्टेक्ट विद देम। नूडल स्पीकिंग इनटू ए माइक्रोफोन, Mars Space Control calling the crew of Probe 1. Mars Space Control calling the crew of Probe 1. Come in, Captain Omega, and give us your location. यानी that was the communication way of Noodle, है ना, कि कह रहा है कि हम जल्दी से अपन को लोकेशन दो। Omega speaking into a dish which is on chain around her neck, अपनी गर्दन के चारों तरफ एक ऐसी डिश है, उसे बोलता है, वो बोलती है वो। Captain Omega to Mars Space Control, Lieutenant Iota, Sergeant Oak and I have arrived on Earth without incident. She said, me and 2 other also arrived on the Earth without any accident or without any incident. We have taken shelter in this, indicates a room. कह रहा कि हमने यहाँ पे shelter ले लिया, उसकी तरफ indicate कर रहा है in this. So the square place have any idea where we are, Lieutenant Iota? Lieutenant Iota कह रहा है कि you are having any idea where we are, Iota? Who said these words? What? Omega. Omega is saying. Iota कह रहा है कि I can't figure it out. Captain कह रहा मैं नहीं पता सकता, what is this? Holding up a book, I have counted 2000 of these peculiar items. कह रहा है कि मैंने 2000 काउंट कर दी, जो पेक्युलर विचित्र जो आइटम है यहाँ पे। दिस प्लेस मस्ट बी सम सॉर्ट ऑफ स्टोरेज बार्न, व्हाट डू यू थिंक सार्जेंट ओक? कह रहा कि ऐसा कुछ खलियान टाइप में है, कुछ ऐसा जगह है यहाँ पे, हमने क्या किया है, हम जहाँ पे आ चुके हैं। सो नाउ चिल्ड्रन, टुडे इट इज इनफ फॉर टुडे, गॉट इट? वी आर ऑल्सो हैविंग टुमारो, अंडरस्टैंड? सो द चैप्टर विल बी कंप्लीटेड, आई विल कंप्लीट दैट. I hope you have understood that. Got it? So मिलते हैं कल. Okay, bye.